The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. One of the major changes with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro was the introduction of Google's Tensor chip, and this is also an area that Google has confirmed is changing. More specifically, refining the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will come loaded with a next-gen Google Tensor processor. What exactly that means in real terms is less clear, although it should be expected that the next Pixel phones will at a minimum be more powerful and more powerful efficient in general. Even though the first generation Tensor chip was seen as a powerful solution, it didn't fare quite as well against Apple's latest Bionic chip and Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon SoC. So it would be expected that the next gen Tensor processor will look to further close that performance gap. Processor aside, it remains unclear just how much else will changes in the specs department. A recent report by 9to5 Google looks to confirm that the displays won't change much, resulting in similar sizes to the Pixel 6 series. For reference, the standard Pixel 6 comes with a 6.4-inch display, while the Pixel 6 Pro increased the screen real estate to 6.7 inches. Likewise, there isn't expected to be any changes in the resolution or refresh rate either, with the Pixel 7 redesigned to the same 1080 x 2340 and 90Hz, and the Pixel 7 Pro is sticking with 1440 x 3120 and 120Hz. According to a recent tweet by Ross Young, the standard Pixel 7 may see a slight decrease in size of 6.4 inches to 6.3 inches. Unsurprisingly, both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will come running on the latest version of the operating system Android 13 and benefit from all the latest software features. Google tends to release its newest Pixel phones each year to coincide with the general release of the latest consumer-ready version of Android, and they are typically the first ones to feature the new OS. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro won't be any different. Of course, Pixel phones also tend to come with a slightly customized Pixel version of Android, so there will likely be some minor Pixel 7 specific tweaks as well.